everybody, Ms. Thompson here. I'm going to show you in this video how to solve this problem from Friday using a tape diagram. So I'm going to read the problem first and then I'm going to show you the steps. Okay. Photographs come in several standard print sizes. Some of the most common print sizes are 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10. The dimensions are given in inches. Does a proportional relationship exist between these print sizes? Justify your answer. All right, so sometimes what I like to do is just to keep myself, in the real world, just like make myself a little picture. There's our 5. This is a 4x6 picture, and this is a 5x7 picture. So they want to know whether these relationships are proportional. So using a tape diagram, here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw 4 boxes, and that's equaling 1 inch each, right? Because you got a 4-inch photograph. Then on the bottom, what we're going to do is make 5 boxes, and they're going to equal 1 inch each as well. Okay, and that's 5 inches. All right, so now what they're saying is our second measurement, so remember just to keep these first numbers, see there's the first number in each of the prints, keep these lined up. So whatever you're going to do, you're going to keep these relationships proportional. So this one's worth 1 inch, 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 okay? Now they're giving us the second measurement, and that is 6. So what they're saying is that somehow we've got to divide this number 6 into 4 equal sections, okay? How do we do that? How much is each one of these worth? Well, we're going to have to find out. We can divide by 6 by 4, and that's going to give us, let's reduce down to 3 1/2, okay? Or 3 halves, sorry. So now what we can do is we can either put this 7 in and see if it works out, or we can kind of pretend like we don't know what this 7 is and see if we can come up with a proportional photograph. So that's what I've decided I'm going to do, okay? So now we know that each one of these boxes is worth 3 halves. This one's worth 3 halves. This one's worth 3 halves. This one's worth 3 halves for a total of 6. Okay. Now we don't know how much this total measurement is. Let's just pretend we don't. Okay. But we know that each one of these is 3 halves, 3 halves, 3 halves, 3 halves, 3 halves. So we can either add them, 3 halves plus 3 halves plus 3 halves plus 3 halves plus 3 halves, or we can come up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, multiply 5 over 1 times 3 over 2, and that's going to give us 15 over 2. Well, if I change this back into a mixed number, let's just turn this on its side, shoot, and do the division. Ta-da! Or we're going to come up with 7 and 1 left over, so it's going to be 7 1/2. Whoa, wait a second. They told us that the proportional photograph was 5 by 7, not by 5 by 7 1/2. So therefore, a 4 by 6 photo is not proportional to a 5 by 7 photo. And you can see pretty easily that 4 by 6, or if we reduce it, it's a 2/3, is not going to be proportional to a 5/7, which is already reduced. Okay, so that's how we can check.